Good afternoon from the Netherlands, and Johan is going to start up this
Beautiful BMW.
yes, the R100S 1979. Great sound in this BMW. The bike is coming from France, I think 1 kilometer past the German border. The bike has German papers, matching number, very well maintained by the owner. He only has beautiful bikes and now wants to sell some. He asked us for help. And selling a bike like this, well, we love to help because these bikes are very reliable, and you can have a lot of pleasure for a long time. Engines are strong. And the paintwork of this one is just amazing. It's repainted, but whoever did this job, whoa. Nice shaking. Matching numbers, of course. $48,276 kilometers only. All looking very clean. Beautiful condition. We ship worldwide, so if you're interested in this BMW R100S, contact me and we can give you price, detailed pictures, video. The bike will be online, I think, on the website in a week. But there's a good chance the bike is sold earlier. If you like the video, please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Visit the website VintageMotorcycles.nl or visit our Instagram, TikTok and Facebook pages for more videos to come. Okay, thank you for watching again. Hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.